Phonics Teach. Hello, little learners. Today, we are going to have fun with the add family words. Listen carefully. B, a, d. Bad. Bad means not good. D, a, d. Dad. Dad means father. Had. Had means you owned or held something before. Lad. Lad. Lad means a young boy. Pad. Pad. Pad means a notebook. Fad. Fad. A fad is something fun and popular for a short time. Mad. Mad. Mad means angry. Wonderful! You did it, kids! Today, we learned the add family words. Bad, dad, had, lad, pad, fad, and mad. Great job, little readers! See you next time in another word family adventure. Subscribe the more video.